Hello student, welcome back in e-learning classes organized by Modern Educational Group. Myself Ansu, your science teacher from Modern Children School. Students, as we are revise lesson 4 of class 3 birds behavior.
There are 8600 species of birds in the world, and most of the birds have feathers. Feathers keep them warm and help them to fly. Have you ever think from where birds get their food, from where birds eat their food, by which they eat the foods? As you know, birds have no teeth. So, birds have beak and claws for getting food. Different birds have different types of beak, and the types of beak depend upon the types of food they consume. Some beaks are short, some are long, maybe hard, saggy, horny, and all they are used to crack nuts, eat grains, to tear the flesh, and to crush their prey. So today again we are read about the different types of beak the birds have. So let's start the first one. The first one is long and hooked beak. Students, birds like eagle, owl, and vulture. These birds have strong and hooked beak. And this type of beak is used for tearing the flesh. Now the second one. The second one is strong chisel shaped beak. So birds like hoop and woodpecker have strong chisel beak. And this type of beak is used to drill the wood. So the birds like woodpecker, with the help of their beak, drill the wood and make their home. This beak also helps them to search insect in the tree trunk. Now the third one. The third one is long pointed beak. Birds like sunbirds and hummingbird have long pointed beak, and this type of beak is used for poking and probing into a flower. These birds are also called sucking birds. They suck the nectar from the flowers. Now come on the fourth type. Fourth type is strong, short and hard beak. So birds like parrot, pigeon and a sparrow have strong, short and hard beak. And this type of beak is used to crack the nuts and eat the grains. Again I repeat, strong, short and hard beak is used to crack the nuts and eat grains. Come on, the last one is broad, soft and flat beak. So birds like these are water birds like duck, goose, swan, spoonbill have broad, soft and flat beak. And this type of beak is used for digging up the mud under water. And they dig the mud under the water in search of food. Beak of duck has different from others. Beak of duck has a strainers along its side, and with the help of strainers, the mud and the water sieve out, and the teeny plants and insects remain inside the mouth of ducks, and they get their food.
Now, feathers of bird. A student, as I told you, body of birds is covered with four kinds of feathers. The first one is down feathers. Body feather. Feathers which help to give shape to the bird's body are body feathers. Okay, again I repeat, those feathers which help to give shape to the bird's body are body feathers. Now, second one, flight feathers. Flight feathers. Those feathers which attached to the wings and tail of the birds are flight feathers. These feathers are bigger in size and stronger, which help them to fly. Flight feathers have control rod and quill. So this is the features of flight feathers, that control rod and quill. Now the third one, down feather. Those feathers which are fluffy and soft and keep the bird warm are down feathers. Okay, again I repeat, those feathers which are fluffy and soft and keep the bird warm are down feathers. Now the last one is tail feathers. A bird uses its tail feathers for steering and barking. In other words, you can say that those feathers which are used for steering and barking are tail feathers. I told you some interesting part is some male feathers have long and bright color feathers, and they use them to attract the female bird.